6 divided by 6 equals 1, 6 divided by 6 equals 1, and 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression we have both multiplication and division present, we must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have 3 division operators present, and rules say that we work from left to right to solve this expression. So we need to solve this division first because that's on the left side. So 6 divided by 6, that gives us 1, and our expression simplifies to 1 divided by 6 divided by 6. Now we need to solve this division first because now this one is on the left side. So we can write it as 1 over 6, and then we have divide by 6 present from the original expression, which can be written as 6 over 1. Now we have division operator present here, and on either side of it we have fractions involved. So what we can do is we can use KCF rule, keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 1 over 6 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip the fraction 6 over 1 as 1 over 6. Now we have multiplication involved, and what we can do is we can simply go multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So 1 times 1, that gives us 1, and in the denominator 6 times 6, that gives us 36, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers and subscribe to our channel.